Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So this is the meeting 3 of speaking for the professional contact. And for today's topic, we are going to discuss about procedural text, or in other case, you call it procedure text. And I got the source for you from literacyideas.com. If you want to check the full version, you can just go there. But this is the combination between the source and also my own experience during making or teaching the procedural text. So for the assignment, before you are having the mid-semester test, there will be making this kind of procedural text. And so before you start with that, let's just start by understanding the hierarchy of procedural text itself. So basically, procedure text, let's just call it from now on its procedure. It informs your audience about how to do or how to make something. Yes, not only about how to make, yeah, but also how to do. For example, like how to withdraw the money from the ATM, or maybe how to repair a motorcycle, something like that. And it's totally different from the brother of procedure text. It's explanation text, I guess, where in explanation it all happens by nature, because you can tell the process but you cannot do that. For example, like how rain drops, okay, you cannot make rain. How tsunami happen, you cannot make tsunami. Okay, but procedure tech is more like something for manual. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to talk about, yeah, the purpose itself. So it provides the sequence, information, and direction, so people can do it in safe, efficient, and appropriate. So you make sure that someone who read or watch the video about your procedure or something, they will do it much better. Maybe you ever watch something like 5 minute craft on YouTube, or in when you line up in Indomaret in the cashier, okay, before you pay your thing, the LCD in the TV beside it, they always show 5 minutes craft. Yeah, well, you can call it some sort of what's that, yeah, what is it, the procedure text, but well, it must be more complete. Okay, so it's not, it's just a half procedural text. Okay, the form of procedural text are, for example, this is just the example of what is it, the procedure text itself. There is a direction where you have to go, instruction of about how to do something, recipe for how to cook something, rules for game, so it's like the what's it, yeah, how you play it, okay, football, etc., right? Okay, there are rules. Manuals, this is like how to fix a gadget. And agendas is about how to run an event, okay, who is in charge, who took the responsibility. It's also some sort of procedural text. The job description too. Well, looking at from the structure, uh, procedure text, it has what's that, yeah, it has couple of the the part for the structure. First is the heading, or you just call it title, that will tell you the aim. Okay, I aim, yeah, not aim. I miss your lecturer. Mr. Aim has the goal of life. And the section is there are headings and also material and also the step. Okay, well, so you differentiate between section. Okay, so also you must put the name of the section on it. Okay, when you write it down or when you speak up, it must be clear what section are you talking about. Moving on, it's subheading. Okay, this it contains like material. Okay, it's more like the section, but it also there is a warning. Okay, for example, like this, you want to what's that, yeah, before you what is that? Before you do this step, okay, you have to prepare maybe the glove. You have to, okay, something like that. So it's like the caution, if there is any caution before the next step is done. Okay, it's the subheading. Also, it belongs to the sequence actually, that it must be step by step, right? So subheading is just inside it. Visual, this is additional, but it's also important in some cases. That maps, diagram, and photos, it's also important when you want to make sure that the reader can get the idea perfectly. Moving on to the feature, there are vocabulary, tense, and also the flow. Okay, the vocabulary, of course, you have to use the technical specialized term. Okay, for example, what? Cetitan. Okay, well, you don't say cetitan or ceklik-ceklik or abang-abang blah blah blah. Okay, so it's a switch. Okay, you just don't dumb things down. Ya, kadang kalau kita pengen gampang gitu kan dianggap apa gitu. Ini ada ongkik-ongkik, okay, yang but it's a valve, for example. Yeah, don't dumb things down. Okay, also tense, always use the present tense. I think that's clear. Moreover, you use what ya, imperatif ya, yang verb 1 di depan itu, yang uh, VL amar ya. Okay, and flow using connective. Okay, don't forget, although it's not always, but maybe to make it sweeter, you use the connective or conjunction ya. For example, like the first, second, next, and then after that, finally, I think it will sweeten your procedural text. Well, there are the pillars of procedure text. Okay, the goal, the step, resource, and conclusion. Resource is material. Well, everybody knows it. Okay, but in case you do not know, I think it little bit what is it? A little bit turnover should be goal, resources, step, and conclusion. Jadi kayaknya ini yang buat ini agak kebalik ya. Harusnya resource dulu baru step. Oke, tapi mungkin karena ini four pillar of procedure, maka itu hanyalah no matter what you must cover this essential. Jadi dia hanya ingin menunjukkan apa saja, bukan tentang urutannya. Oke, but for the order, of course, before resources, I mean before this step you must include resource dulu kan, langkah material dulu baru langkahnya. Okay, I think it will be much better. Nah, so for procedure text writing organizer, okay, ada seperti ini ya. Jadi you can make the purpose, the title, and then the material, and after that the sequence of the procedural. And finally, you can also conclude. Ya, jadi bisa ada kesimpulan. Kesimpulan misalnya, for example, like mungkin setelah matang, okay, biasanya didinginkan. Seperti itu usually. Atau setelah semuanya baik-baik saja, kita masih harus menunggu selama 20 jam baru memastikan kalau itu sudah mengering, for example, like that. It's the conclusion, okay? Yes, and then this is the example that someone has created also from the literacyideas.com about how to grow a tomato plant. It's plant, not plant. Tomato plant. So there is a picture and also the aim. Okay, yang hitam-hitam itu cuma penjelas saja ya. Ada clear goal, bisa memakai itu untuk material itu kalau sedikit bisa pakai koma, tapi kalau banyak bisa dibuat list. Oke, memakai present tense, bisa menggunakan hitungan formal atau informal. Oke, yang hitungan informal biasanya kan 1 jari, berapa jari, 2 siung, seperti itu. Kalau yang formal bisa memakai gram. Oke. Okay, well, I guess that's it what we are going to talk about the assignment. So I think for the explanation from myself, I will just deliver it in our group. If you have any question, let's just go there and discuss together. That's it from me, and wabillahi hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.